Hello, my name is Jesús Ángel Cabrera Martínez.
And my name is Elías Jiménez Castillo.
We are students at the Instituto Tecnológico del Istmo.
Today we are going to present a short video to explain the present perfect tense in English.
We will show you the structure, so where to use it and how to use special words like already used yet for, since and go.
We hope this video helps you understand and practice this important grammar topic. Let's begin.
First, let's look at the structure of the present perfect.
The present perfect is formed using the subject plus have or has plus the past participle of the verb.
Use have with el, you, we, and say. Use has with he, she, and it.
Here are some examples. I have studied. I have studied. She has traveled. She has traveled. They have eaten. They have eaten.
The past participle is the third form of the verb, like ate, gone, done, or the plate.
Now, when do we use the present perfect?
We use it to talk about action that happened during this time in the past, but are still connected to the present.
For example, I have lost my keys. I still don't have them now. She has broken her leg. Her leg is still broken.
It's also used to talk about life experience. Have you ever been to Mexico City? Yes, I have visited Mexico City twice.
Let's look at already, just, and yet.
Oh, I already used to say something has happened somewhere that specific. Use already done my homework. Just means something happened very recently. He's just left the house. Yet is used in negative sentences and questions, usually and the end. I haven't finished yet, have used 18 yet. Now let's talk about for, since, and ago.
Use for to talk about a duration of time. I've lived here for 5 years. She has worked in that company for a long time. Use since to talk about a specific point in time. He has studied English since 2020. We have known each other since high school.
Remember, ago is not used with the present perfect.
It goes with the past simple. I moved here 5 years ago, not present perfect.
So, to sum up,
The present perfect connects the past and the present. Use have or has plus past participle, and remember how to use already, just, yet, for, since, and ago correctly.
is with your own sentences and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.